guys, I hope you're all doing well. I also hope that you are taking this time at home to focus on something that you love. So I love what I do, and I'm always thinking about how I can help you more. I remember last class we were learning about the future with going to and will. And this can be so confusing. I also remember when I was learning this tense, I was so confused, and I was asking myself, when do I use going to? When do I use will? And I said, wow, there's so many rules and so many exceptions, and I was so confused about this. And then I decided to record this video. I'm excited because I have a special guest, and he's someone that I always wanted to record a video with. So he's my son, Eric, come here to help us.
Hey everyone, I hope you guys are all well during this pandemic that we're all having. Today I'm going to be having a little interview with my mom here.
Yes, Eric, last class we were learning about the future tense with going to and will. And I remember when I was learning the future, I was always confused about when do I use going to, when do I use will. So I know there are situations that we can use both. But there are situations that going to is more appropriated. So I have a few questions that I would like to ask you, and I want to see how you're gonna answer these questions, okay? So I know that now you've been really bored by staying home all day, having almost nothing to do. So do you have any plans when this coronavirus is over? What are you going to do? Do you have any plans?
I guess after all this coronavirus is over, I'm gonna go outside and probably play with my friends and hang out.
In this case, Eric used I'm going to hang out with my friends. I think he said he used gonna, right? So gonna is the contraction of going to. He said I'm gonna spend time with my friends. So in this particular answer, he used going to or gonna because this is a plan. This is something that he already decided to do. Okay, he made this plan. He had this intention. Great, Eric. So here is the second question. Will people wash their hands more than in the past because of the coronavirus? What do you think?
I think that people will definitely wash their hands more because they'll be more conscious about viruses and bacteria, and they want to stay more safe. So I think people will start washing their hands more.
Okay, that's your opinion, right? That's your prediction about the future. Okay, so here Eric is using will because it's kind of a prediction, something that he thinks that, is going to happen. So in this particular case, he used will. So I have one more question for you, Eric.
Sure.
When this coronavirus is over, how do you think your life will be? Better?
After all this coronavirus, I think that life will probably be going back to the same routines as they all did. I don't think life will be any better because of it, but I definitely think that everyone will remember this scary bit of time that we're going through.
So thank you very much, Eric, for helping us a little bit with will, using will or going to.
No problem. See you guys later.
Okay, that was a little bit about will and going to. So we know that we can use going to when you have a plan for the future. We also can use will when it's a prediction or opinions or offers, okay? So it's not so difficult as we were thinking it was, right? And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I see you next week. Bye-bye.